The new Matco sealed head ratchet is the latest in the INFINIUM family, aimed at increasing the productivity of the automotive technician. Slim head construction provides access into tight spaces, and sealed design protects the head from damage. Lower head located forward reverse lever allows for one-hand operation as well as easier direction changes, making it less likely to back yourself into a jam. Tested and developed to deliver top-of-the-line performance, this ratchet delivers 300 RPM and 40 foot-pounds for an ideal combination of power and speed.